Now, let's have an analysis of forging process. When the force is applied by top moving die, outward expansion forces will be acting throughout the length of the raw material. However, at the ends, because of the presence of friction, an inward force is acting. At the beginning of forging operation, the magnitude of inward friction force is higher than the outward expansion force. Hence, the ends of the raw material stick to the die, whereas in the center there is an expansion. This produces a barrel-like shape, and hence it is called as barreling operation. And in this portion of forging, the analysis is done by using sticking friction model. We are not going into detail of what this model is, but you must have an idea. On further application of force, the top die is moving downwards and the outward expansion forces are continuously increasing, whereas the inward friction forces are nearly constant, and at some point the magnitude of outward expansion force will become greater than inward friction force. Due to this, the raw material starts sliding over the die, producing nearly cylindrical shape. And this part of forging operation is analyzed by using sliding friction model.